the truth shall be shown. Yeah, he's a Barramundi. He got scared of the boat. Wow.
Dan, you have to be careful. The engine cannot be lifted.
I tried to convince him to stay on this side.
Okay.
Good, and he had the grace of spitting right at the good moment.
Good size.
Yeah. Nice. Okay. Not terrible, but okay. Uh-huh. It's not big.
Atang dengan no nenek.
We let him go.
Yeah,
Arin na ba?
too small.
Himing galawala arin na.
Okay.
Five-ish.
Oh, yeah, that's pretty good.
Barramundi. Excellent.
He's a decent fish.
Wipula, sit down. Wow. There you are, the fellows are there.
We got him to
So the guys are there.
this time. Yeah.
Slowly, slowly, slowly. You straighten the hooks.
Yeah.
Have to look after that bait. How are you doing, Dan?
He's a good fish, huh? Yeah. He's pretty mellow, the guy.
Hello.
But he is there. Let's see what he does when he sees the boat.
Come up to
Put
the,
there at snapper.
come up to the edge. Wipula, you change this.
Yeah, I see it.
Yeah.
Come on, boy. Get the red snapper. He went on the boat. Good boy. Good boy.
Oh, nice snapper.
Oh!
Oh.
Good
Look
job!
at that.
Got him in extremis.
Look at that.
Oh, that was good.
Kata kadat.
Yeah, you are pulling it too hard, my dear friend.
Yeah, I was pulling too hard. You're
Yeah.
right. Yeah.
Kata kadat.
Never mind, never mind. Oh,
Yeah.
never mind.
Let me bring the box better to the. Lovely sound. But real. Yeah. The sound of fish.
I like to leave the ratchet on so that
Yeah, yeah.
as
Gives
we,
you some sort of information about
yeah,
about-
exactly.
It's pretty good, huh?
It's a motor. He got frightened when he saw the boat.
Don't force it. Have the rod up.
He may jump,
Yeah.
maybe. Yeah.
Bring it in. Bring it in. Bring it in straight. Bring it in. Careful.
Beautiful fish.
My goodness. It's very, very lightly hooked. Careful. Oh,
We are not going to forgive you if you lose it. Hold it up. lucky for me, I did not pick it up. You got it?
No.
Yes. Good.
At
Oh,
last.
it's a big fish.
Yes.
Good,
Good one.
Good job. Big fish.
Good one.
Yeah. Yesterday it was red snapper day. Today seems to be moda day.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And that's your rod?
Yeah. Oh,
Wow.
beautiful. Great trophy. Great trophy. Okay. Well,
Excellent.
your wife, good boy. Yeah, nice. Okay.
Yeah, cast.